Hey guys, it's me, Maya. Today we are going to be doing our first official video in Florida, and we are at 7-Eleven. And I walked in with my father and sister, and I walked in and I saw a bunch of Hatchimal things. And then I looked down and I see Squishies. There's like so many. These are the magical Squishies. I've never seen the cat before though. They're so cute though. And they have a big variety of Hatchimal things. But this is so cool. They have like a bunch of different ones. Like they have the diamond. We saw these at Michael's. So super cute. Cloud. I'll show you the ones they have. They have a cloud, the kitty. Oh my gosh, it's like a unicorn kitty. There's a unicorn. Oh yep, that's totally a unicorn. I meant a rainbow. A narwhal. Purple unicorn. The Super Slow Rising. Focus. And there's a diamond. Is that two different color diamonds? No, it's a one color diamond. Same diamond. And then there is a white unicorn. And they have it all right here. Oh, where's the shooting star? I didn't see the shooting star. Yep, I don't think they have the shooting star, but it says, oh, yep, there it is. Right here, and they have the shooting star. So they're all super cute. My favorite is probably either the cloud or the narwhal. Or the unicorn. So we have another 7-Eleven in Florida, and I just want to show you the beautiful sight of palm trees. But we're at 7-Eleven. Go in and check for Squishies. Okay, so, ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, Alayah, this is the one that I was looking for.
The chocolate covered strawberry. I said chocolate covered. Oh, there's flat balls.
There's flat balls. Oh look, there's flown.
Oh, everybody.
I did.
This one. Shooting star.
Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this?
A
cloud. A cloud.
Cup of chai tea.
Is there a unicorn?
Okay, so this is a little cup of chai tea, like my dad said. So these are like another, like at the other one that I saw. And then down here they have the cake, the cookie. The cake looks like a... Oh, that's my favorite. From Michael's.
Yeah, mine is a unicorn. Where's the catacorn at?
Oh yeah, the catacorn was at the other one. I think it's right here. Oh no, it's not it.
There's unicorns down there, a bunch of them.
I know.
Yeah, there's two different colors. Is that a catacorn?
The catacorn.
Oh no, I don't see the catacorn.
That's sad.
Yeah.
Real sad.
But yeah, those are the ones that they have here. This one's like super cute, my favorite. I'm obsessed. I think Alayah's a little more obsessed with me though. I'm obsessed with them more than I am. They have like these color goo. So yeah, that's cool. I wanted to show you the donut that they have, and it's so cute. Looks like a eye bloom donut, which is super cute. But yeah, those are the ones that they have here. So Alayah's going to get one, and I'm going to get this one.
Which one? I love unicorn.
Well, you already got one of each. So Alayah's going to get two of the same one. Well, this one, because she gave the other one to my grandma, and she loves unicorns, so she's going to get this focus, that unicorn. So, yep. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you found Squishies at your 7-Eleven. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey guys, it's a brand new day, and we are in Florida, and we are at another 7-Eleven. And we're going to be looking for Squishies, so let's go. Okay, so we found the Squishies, and there's not a lot of them left. Oh, focus. There are the magical Squishies, and there are a bunch of them. And
Shooting star.
well, there's a bunch of different kinds, but there's not a bunch of them like individually.
Alright, girl, I'm waiting.
Then all of these There's the diamond. The diamond's really cute. I like the diamond a lot. And then there's a rainbow, which matches Alayah's little room thing that she has going on. Don't mind the music in the back. And then there is a biscuit. Oh, this one. Wait, this is a junk food one. They have the junk food ones.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
I do the same thing sometimes. No, I do.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
oh my gosh, they have a lot of junk food ones. They have a little Hatchimals thing. And then there is a hot dog.
Junk food.
They have a lot of the junk food ones. Taco. Alayah's little Roblox song is raining tacos.
Tell me, baby.
There's a fry.
Oh yeah, it's raining tacos.
You want to be healthy?
And then there is
Close your eyes.
this one.
It's raining tacos.
And then there is a pop like I showed you. So there's just a bunch right here. And I think the
Junk food.
junk foods are like so realistic. Anyways, that's what they have at the 7-Eleven. Hey guys, it's me Mya. Today we are at 7-Eleven in Riverview, Florida. And yeah, Riverview. And we're gonna look for some Squishies. Oh, I already see them. Oh, they have the chocolate covered strawberry. They have the catacorn. Alayah's favorite, catacorn.
Yeah, I love catacorn.
Then there's the donuts. There's only one color in donuts.
I found a croissant over there, but it's like an actual food. Like, it's not even a squishy. I know it's all like a real one.
And then there's a popsicle.
Oh, I know it's all that one. A mini like cake.
Yep. Narwhal.
I still haven't seen the chocolate covered strawberry.
It's right here.
Wow.
Yeah. So these are the Squishies that they have here. They have unicorn, purple unicorn, white unicorn, catacorn. They have a shooting star, a diamond, a narwhal, a rainbow, a cloud, and then they have a cake, donut, ice cream,
Croissant.
oh, it's not a real squishy. And then there is a chocolate covered strawberry. There's a cup of chai tea, chocolate cupcake, and a cookie. So that is what they have here. And they have the magical Squishies, and they are $5.99. Super cute. Collect them all. Super cute. Collect them all. They're $5.99 plus tax. And then these are the Squishies desert treats. It's so funny how they spell squishy. It's cool too. But yeah, that is what they have here. I'm gonna see if I can find my favorite. Where's my favorite out of all these? I don't know. Oh, I like the chocolate covered strawberry. How to squish it. But the best, I probably have to go with this. And out of this one, I really like the donut, which I got yesterday. I got the donut yesterday. So, and then I also got the cloud yesterday because it's super cute. And I have the narwhal and the rainbow and those two. So I just have to get these three. And I have everything else. So that's good. Oh wait, hold on. This goes in this one. Yeah, they're all mixed up, but that is what is here.